and welcome to another episode of the News on Map series. Let's begin with the practice question of the last segment. Consider the following pairs. We have to match the rivers to the water bodies they flow into finally. So Mekong, Andaman Sea, Thames, Irish Sea, Volga, Caspian Sea and Zambezi, Indian Ocean. We have to find out which one of these is or are correctly matched. Mekong River rises in the Tibet Autonomous Region of China. Then it flows through many South Asian countries, such as Southeast Asian countries, beg your pardon, such as Vietnam, Thailand, even Myanmar, Cambodia, Laos, okay, and then it finally flows into the South China Sea and not the Andaman Sea. So first is incorrect. The second one is River Thames. River Thames actually flows into the North Sea, alright, it flows into the North Sea. Then comes Volga. Volga River actually flows into the Caspian Sea. Alright, so this is the Caspian Sea and this is the river Volga. It flows into the Caspian Sea. And if we have to talk about Zambezi River, yes, Zambezi flows into the Indian Ocean, basically in the Mozambique Channel. So that makes the first and the second pair to be incorrect. The third and the fourth one are correct. Option C is going to be the correct answer. Moving ahead to the next set of questions. Now this news is Mali's military leader Goita pardons 49 Ivory Coast soldiers. So let us look at the statements with respect to Mali. It is a landlocked country. The 0-degree longitude passes through Mali, Burkina Faso and Senegal are some of the bordering countries. So first is, it is a landlocked country. Yes, this is correct. Mali has a border with many countries. Algeria, Mauritania, Senegal, Cote d'Ivoire, then also Burkina Faso and also Niger and of course Algeria we have already taken. And you can see that the 0-degree longitude, that is the prime meridian, it passes through Mali. So that makes first and the second one correct. Third one is Burkina Faso and Senegal are some of its bordering countries. Yes, Burkina Faso is a bordering country as well as Senegal. So first, second and third, all statements are correct. We had to select the correct statement, right? So all three are correct. Option C, all three is going to be the correct answer. Moving ahead, United Nations intelligence analysts have spotted suspected movements by M23 rebels in parts of the Eastern Democratic Republic of Congo. Armed fighters from Al-Shabaab have killed at least 6 people in an attack on a village in central Somalia. Health workers in the zone of Syria, which compromises most of the province of Idlib and parts of Aleppo province in northwestern Syria, fear the consequences of rising cholera cases. So we have to match the regions in the news to the country which they belong to. Idlib, Egypt, Kibumba, Democratic Republic of Congo, Hirshabelle, Somalia. So let us see how many are correct. If we talk about Idlib, yes, Idlib is actually in Syria and not Egypt. So first pair is not correct. Then comes second, that is Kibumba. Kibumba is in Democratic Republic of Congo. Alright. And then finally we have Hirshabelle. Hirshabelle is a part of Somalia. Okay. So first is not correct. Second and third are correct. Option B is going to be the correct answer. Moving ahead, France is backing its ambassador in Burkina Faso despite a request by authorities there to replace him amidst growing anti-French sentiments. So which of the following countries do not share a border with Burkina Faso? Senegal, Togo, Benin, Ghana. So this is Burkina Faso sharing its borders with Mali, Nigeria, Benin is there, Togo is there, Ghana is also there. And if we talk about here, then it's Cote d'Ivoire, but not Senegal, okay? Option A is going to be the correct answer over here. The United States has announced that it is sanctioning Iranian industries that produce ballistic missiles and drones, also known as unmanned aerial vehicle, which the US says has been used to facilitate the Russian war in Ukraine. Arrange the following regions of Iran from west to east. That means we have to, as I stand over here, I have to go from my left hand towards my right hand. Alright, so Bandar Abbas, Zahedan, Urmiyan, Bushehr. These are also the regions which are very important for India. So we have to choose the answer using the codes. As we talk from west to east, here lies Zahedan and Bandar Abbas is lying over here. And if we talk about Bushehr, it is lying here at the coast. And finally, Lake Urmia is in Urmia. So first is Urmia, then Bushehr, then Bandar Abbas, and then Zahedan. So first Urmia, 3, then Bushehr, 4, then Zahedan, Bandar Abbas, and then Zahedan. So 3, 4, 1, 2 is going to be the correct answer over here. This is important for India as well. United Nations Security Council members stress Jerusalem's Al-Aqsa Mosque status quo. So the Al-Aqsa Mosque lies to the northeast of Dead Sea, to the northwest of the Dead Sea, to the southwest of the Dead Sea, or to the southeast of the Dead Sea. Let us see Al-Aqsa Mosque. Al-Aqsa Mosque is actually lying to the northwest of the Dead Sea. Alright, so that makes northwest, option B to be the correct answer. Now, exchange of artillery fires, these were reported along the front lines in Ukraine's Bakhmut, Kremina, and location in Donetsk and Luhansk region. So, I have formulated a question over here. If a person moves from Kiev to Kherson in a straight line, and then again in a straight line from Kherson to Bakhmut, and finally again in a straight line from Bakhmut to Kiev, making a triangle, then which of the following cities will lie entirely within such a triangle? Dnipro, Sumy, Lviv, and Kharkiv are the options. So this is the January 6th. Who controls what? Map of Ukraine. And it is, of course, every day published by Al Jazeera. So the person moves from Kiev to Kherson, then from Kherson to Bakhmut, where this city is under severe stress, then Bakhmut to Kiev. So which of the cities that were given in the option fall entirely within this triangle? Dnipro, Zaporizhia are some of the cities, prominent cities, which are lying in this region. Kharkiv, Sumy, Lviv, these are lying in another regions. And also one more was there, right? Kharkiv, Sumy, Lviv, and Dnipro. So Dnipro is going to be the correct answer. It can also be pronounced as Dnipro. Alright, so A is the correct answer over here. Moving ahead to the next set of questions, a record number of people have been leaving Cuba. Most have headed for US over the border with Mexico, along with many thousands from other countries as well. So we have to consider the statements. The Strait of Florida lies or connects the Gulf of Mexico to the Pacific Ocean, and Cuba lies to the south of Jamaica. The Tropic of Cancer passes through Cuba. So we have to see which ones are correct. Strait of Florida basically lies in such a manner that it lies between the Gulf of Mexico and Atlantic Ocean. It joins Gulf of Mexico with Atlantic and not Pacific. So first statement is incorrect. Actually, the Tropic of Cancer doesn't pass through Cuba. Cuba just lies to the south of it. So that is also not correct. Cuba lies to the north of Jamaica and not, as given in the question, to the south. So second statement is not correct. Third statement is not correct. First statement is also not correct. Option D is going to be the correct answer over here. Moving on. North Korea drone entered Korea's presidential no-fly zone according to the army. So the 38th parallel border line divides Israel and Jordan, North Korea and South Korea, Canada and USA, then USA and Mexico. So we can see the 38th parallel is basically this latitude which divides North Korea and South Korea. Okay, so 38th parallel divides North Korea and South Korea. B is going to be the correct answer. Uttarakhand government orders evacuation of 600 families from Joshimath. Joshimath is under severe stress. 600 families are being moved from there, and NTPC's project has also come to a halt. Consider the following statements with respect to Joshimath. It lies to the southeast of the Valley of Flowers in Uttarakhand. It lies to the north of Karnaprayag but south of Nandiprayag. We have to see the correct answer. Here lies Joshimath to the southeast of Valley of Flowers. First is correct. And it lies to the north of both Nandiprayag and Karnaprayag. Okay. So Joshimath lies over here. This area is very much in the news. First statement is correct. Second is not. Option A is going to be the correct answer. One only. Alright. Moving ahead, Assam. 96 species of birds found in Deepor Bay on the outskirts of Guwahati. So let us see the question. From south to north, from bottom to top, arrange the following wetlands of India: Chilika Lake, Rudra Sagar Lake, Deepor Beel, Koleru Lake, and Loktak Lake. From south to north we have to go. So Koleru is lying over here, then Chilika is over here, Rudrasagar is here, then Loktak, and finally Deepor Beel. Okay, so Kollaru Lake, as we all know it, it is in Andhra Pradesh, Chilika is in Odisha, Rudrasagar Lake is in Tripura, Loktak is in Manipur, and Deepor Beel is in Assam. Alright, so let us see the answer. First is Kollaru, then it is Chilika, 4-1, then it is, I think, Rudrasagar. Yes, then Rudrasagar in Tripura, then we have Loktak in Manipur, and finally we have this thing, Deepor Beel. So 41253 is going to be the correct answer. 41253 option A is going to be the correct answer over here. Moving ahead, the Bureau of Indian Standards will organize various programs till Sunday to commemorate its 76th foundation day, and it would conduct street plays through Kuthu Pattarai of 3 days at locations such as Basant Nagar Beach, Marina, and Gindi National Park. So which of the following national parks do not fall in the Eastern Ghat? Shri Venkateswara National Park, Papikonda National Park, Gindi National Park, and Vansda National Park. So this map is going to show us that Papikonda is in Eastern Ghats, okay, as well as Gindi and Shri Venkateswara as well. But if we talk about Vansda National Park, it is actually in the Western Ghats, okay. So that is not correct. Option D is going to be the correct answer over here. Now this is the UPSC prelims question of 2015. Which one of the following countries of Southwest Asia doesn't open out in the Mediterranean Sea? I have given this question before as well, so this is kind of a revision. Syria, Jordan, Lebanon, Israel. Okay, Mediterranean Sea, let us see, Lebanon opens out in the Mediterranean Sea. Also Syria, then Jordan doesn't. One more was there. Jordan, Israel. Okay, Israel also opens out in the Mediterranean Sea. So Jordan is going to be the correct answer over here, option B. Alright. Now let's move to the practice question for your next segment. Consider the following pairs: Mountain Peak and Parent Range, Matterhorn, Pennine Alps, Triglav, Julian or Julian Alps basically, Mont Blanc, Grain Alps. So we have to see how many are correctly matched, okay? Yes. So that's it for today. We shall meet again for our next segment. Until then, stay updated and thank you so much for watching.